Presenting Dell Inspiron 3501 laptop. It features Windows 10 Home operating system and weighs 1.83 kilograms. The laptop is powered by 11th generation Intel Core i5-1135G7 processor, up to 4.2 GHz maximum speed and 8 MB cache. It also features Microsoft Office Home and Student 2019. The laptop features either 4 GB or 8 GB DDR4 RAM, and Intel Iris Xe graphics card ensures a smooth performance. The 256 GB M.2 NVMe PCIe SSD and 1 TB 5400 RPM 2.5-inch SATA hard drive makes sure that you can store all your movies, picture and music. This Dell laptop has 2.2 Wh lithium-ion battery with up to 7 hours of battery life. The 15.6-inch Full HD display with 1920x1080 pixels resolution, anti-glare, LED backlight, narrow border and WVA display gives a true-to-life experience. The laptop comes with 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports, 1 USB 2.0 port, 1 HDMI 1.4 port, SD media card reader and RJ45 for easy connectivity.